Alright guys, we're just outside playing with the football and my neighbor walks over. I'm like, hey, how's it going? And she is like, oh, I gotta show you something. So she goes to that tree and then she's like, yeah, so you got a beehive.
Oh my god.
Big fat beehive over there. So what we're about to do here is take a old big stick and we're about to smack the freak out of this thing. What I'm gonna do is smack it and then we're gonna run right back to the house. You should probably be like in the house.
How you feeling about it though?
Dude, ain't no bees about to scare me in my own house, man. Y'all think y'all gonna set up camp in my house? Nah.
Dude, this is...
I'm like a sniper.
You got it, man.
When I'm rocking. Mad chicks be rocking when the G starts. And that's because my word is born. I get much fan mail and I always...
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Oh no!
I didn't freaking get it all, dude.
You didn't even hit it.
I got the side of it, dude.
You didn't even hit it.
Oh my god.
Oh my
God, I freaking...
Bruh, no way. You What is it doing?
Thing, like, I got like a good chunk of it. It just shattered like tissue.
Yeah, dude, they are freaking out.
I gotta go back out there.
Oh, you better be careful, man. Cory versus the bees in the trap.
Like, you come over here.
Oh, you bust it wide open.
And then I'm gonna just keep running. See if they chase me. If they're chasing me, I'm gonna have to loop-de-loop and then run back into the house. But we need the bat.
Just hit it, man. This is all you. 3, 2. How you doing?
There's a beehive thing.
Like a very aggressive wasp nest in this. Yeah, right here.
Oh, I see. God, that thing's huge.
Yeah.
It's like a coconut. Wow. Well, don't mess with them.
So you know on PUBG, how like you can run and jump, do the Superman punch? I feel like our best opportunity is to do this all in one swoop.
Okay, so you're gonna sneak up. You want to sneak up on the bat.
No, I'm gonna book it for the bat.
I wish you luck.
If you see him chase me, just be like, swoo!
Okay.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
You're good. Yeah, you gotta wait till you get a space in between.
I'm like a sniper. Rhymes will strike you when I'm rocking. Mad chicks be rocking
Whenever you're ready.
And that's because my word is born. I get much fan mail.
Are you?
3.
Ooh, that was it. That was it. That was it. That was it. Hit the door. Yo, you.
Oh my god.
It's a home run.
Oh my gosh. That thing's gone.
That thing disintegrated.